Watch out. Oh my gosh.
The snake's confused too.
The snake's like, what the hell is this squirrel doing? It's like touching him too.
Cuddling with it. Hello, snake. He really is. Snuggling up.
He's saying hi to the snake.
He's like, I'll keep you warm, buddy.
I got a lot more fur.
No, Ellen, no. This is close enough. That's a brave squirrel.
So.
You might want to watch out. So maybe he's protecting his home with his life, right?
What is it doing? Walk away. Walk away. It's not worth it.
Squirrel's dodging it. He's dodging it. Go, squirrel, go!
What snake?
No, squirrel! Go, squirrel! I'm on team squirrel!
Oh.
Go, squirrel! No, it's not a rattle. The squirrel's like nibbling on him. Do you see that?
Yeah.
That is an insane noise.
Yeah, me too, actually. Alright. The squirrel's like attacking the rattlesnake. Yeah, Ella, we're fine. What the heck? The squirrel's eating the snake. Go, squirrel! I can't either. The squirrel is winning. Like, what the heck? Okay, look at that. The squirrel's biting the snake's tail. I've never seen that. It's gotta be because the squirrel was living right there in the boat. You can see him taking stuff there. It's gotta be. Why else would it be doing this, right? Although it's heading this way. We don't know. The pattern looked like a rattlesnake, but it doesn't have the tail. And when it was attacking the squirrel, it wasn't raising its tail and shaking it or anything. So I don't think it's a rattlesnake.
So it attacked the squirrel?
Oh, there was a good fight over here. Now it's running though, because the squirrel's like eating its tail.
把它打死吗？
好漂亮啊！
这眼镜蛇啊，猫在跟它斗了，龙虎斗了。
抓它！灰色的龙
公
狗。
听说
这么小就敢逗它？
好慢。
哎呀，
这只小老虎。
怎么被咬？笨蛋！
还不怕嘞？那个不是啦，那个哇，拿在这里。
好，去把它放到笼子里面。
对，
为什么那只猫那么勇敢呢？那是小猫哎。
完了完了。
它这是怎么样？不知道有毒啊？
这个喵咪很危险。完了完了完了，这只猫不行了。
哇！好香！有我那个就是。
反应好快哦！他在干什么？
上课。
哎，上课了，上课了。
Greetings, fellow people. We are going to show you a science experiment about snake digestion.
Indeed. Snakes are carnivorous reptiles.
Different species of snake have evolved and adapted to eat different animals.
From bats to crabs, from mice to antelopes.
Snake kill their prey by biting them or constricting them. Snakes can eat much bigger animals than themselves, thanks to their joints and mobile jaws. This is a corn snake. Corn snakes live in Northern America and have adapted to eating only mice.
Professor Bingo, go and feed your snake. All their main digestive organs are very long. The esophagus, the stomach, the liver and the intestines.
Their powerful gastric acids are produced in their stomach.
Snakes can digest even bones and teeth, but not fur or hair.
Some snakes can easily survive without food for 1 year or more.
Wow! This is what is happening inside the snake now. The snake has just swallowed the mouse. When it reaches the stomach, the acid starts dissolving it. After 2 days, the mouse is half dissolved. After another 2 days, the mouse is nearly disintegrated. After about 5 days since the snake has eaten, the mouse is totally dissolved. So,
It poos! Ew!
when the snake eats, it gets bigger and the old skin is too tight for it, so it sheds.
And this is what it looks like. If you enjoyed our science